Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but you know, COVID's been in our family, so we all got firsthand experience. Everybody's recovered from that, so I'm back to making videos. And today we're going to make a video on a Klein tool. Looks like Klein Tools is trying to get into the what I call power tools. They've come out here with a 1/2-inch drive impact wrench, and I wanted to show it to you today. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to take it out of the box and kind of cover some of the features here. Now this is a compact brushless impact, 1/2-inch impact wrench. This is model BAT20-CW for the people who want to know the model number. It does have a variable speed trigger. It has the forward, reverse, in the center is the lock. Locks the switch. Like I said, this is a brushless tool, so it's going to be pretty powerful and do well. You know, one of the things that I found kind of odd is if you look right here on the bottom, it says that tool is powered by Dewalt batteries. So this is what makes this kind of different. I had to borrow a Dewalt battery from a friend of mine so that I could do this review. But let's move forward. So a couple of features here. This does have the LED light on it, which I like really well. It with the battery and everything on it, weighs just a little over 2 pounds, so that's really nice. It's got up to 2200 RPMs and also 3100 impacts per minute. It will do up to 210 foot-pounds of torque, so it's a pretty powerful little tool here. So I wanted to do a quick demo. Okay, so I got a 1/2-inch impact drive socket on here. I got a couple of lag bolts. Just want to show you how much power it has. Now I've not pre-drilled any holes for this, so let's just see. I've got a 2x6 here. See how it does. One. Let's do another one here real quick. Again, these are no pre-drilled holes. You can see they're in all the way. So let's try the reverse. No problem there. And again, you can see the LED light. That's really good, especially in the evening or if you happen to be in an area where you're low lighting. This really is a feature that you're seeing on all tools now, but I really like that. So if you like this video and it was helpful, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps me to let YouTube know to get this video out so that more people can see it. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. But the one last thing and the main thing I'd really like to see on this video is give me a comment. Would you buy this tool knowing that you had to use a Dewalt battery? Personally, the tool is great, works great. I mean, I have no problem with it. The grip's nice. The one thing I was concerned about is having to buy Dewalt batteries for it. Now this particular impact does come in a kit at Home Depot where you buy the impact, you get two 4Ah 20-volt batteries and a charger for about $280, $290. You know, not real great price, but that's what they have. Like I said, I'm just not sure I would buy this, only because I would like to see Klein make their own battery and chargers. I'd also like to see them sell it in a kit where you got the impact, at least one battery, and a charger. And I think if they do that, then they'll be way ahead. But in the comments, let me know, would you buy this knowing you had to put a DeWalt battery on it? If you would, just put yes. If you wouldn't, say no. And maybe tell me why. Got any questions on the tool that I hadn't covered? Make sure you put that in the comments and let me know. And until next time, stay safe.